teacher. But, lahi na na subject, ECM 10. So, I hope guys, you'll not just leave what you have learned. If you have learned something from teacher during our TCM 10 panagpukan. So, I just hope that what you have learned in my class, you will also share it not with other people, but also for yourself, for you to be able to grow, to become more mature and independent. And also, it's not just you na naka-learn of something from me. I also learned a lot from you guys. You taught me how to be patient, how to hold on. Yes, of course. How to hold on sa akong emotions when I want to get mad and sometimes dili na ako mapugan. But you know guys, it's just being patient with you and just understanding you as students. I know you are going through a lot of stress in your other subjects. So I hope na wala kayo na stress sa fall subject.